Elon Musk is looking for showrooms in New Delhi.
ऑन मस्क की इलेक्ट्रिक कार बनाने वाली कंपनी टेस्ला ने दिल्ली में शोरूम के लिए जगह की तलाश फिर से शुरू कर दी है।
Well, Tesla is eyeing India entry again for its new EVs in New Delhi NCR.
That Tesla has started fresh talks with real estate players, including DLF, scouting for opening a showroom in Delhi NCR.
अब जब से मैंने ये न्यूज सुनी है, 2 words stayed with me: New Delhi and showroom. New Delhi because Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited was founded on 8th January 2021 in Bangalore, Karnataka. Meaning उनके headquarters Bangalore में, but they don't have a showroom there yet. It's been 3 years since 2021. टेस्ला ने कोई ऑफिशियल लॉन्च नहीं किया है अभी तक इंडिया में, एंड दैट इज बिकॉज आवर गवर्नमेंट एंड इलॉन मस्क डिड नॉट सी आई टू आई ऑन द 100% import duty taxes in our country. But then again, earlier this year, April में मस्क ने बोला था that he'll come and meet our prime minister and maybe potentially talk about investing 2 to 3 billion in the country. But टेस्ला की सेल्स डिक्लाइन होने की वजह से टेस्ला had to sack 10% of its staff. Elon Musk had to cancel his plans to come to India. So basically, no manufacturing plant and no investment. Now, looking for a showroom in a city other than your headquarters or looking for a showroom before setting up a manufacturing plant, मेरे लिए तो बहुत confusing है. But then again, what do I know? Sources say that Tesla is talking to DLF for maybe Avenue Mall in South Delhi or Cyber Hub in Gurgaon. And they're looking for somewhere around 3,000 to 5,000 square feet for customer experience और उससे 3 गुना ज़्यादा जगह for delivery या service options. But another source also says that it's not sure, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि deal DLF के साथ होगी या नहीं, but they're also looking at other options. So nothing is for certain yet. Now there is no news about the manufacturing plant, investment or the tax policy bracket. But there is news that Elon Musk Starlink, जो एक इंटरनेट सर्विस सैटेलाइट है, is being allowed to function in India because उन्होंने जो गवर्नमेंट के डेटा प्रिवेसी पॉलिसी है उस पे एडहेयर किया है, उसको मान लिया है, तो they will get the license to roll it out soon और जनवरी में लॉन्च हो रहा है. Now there is news कि Amazon संभव मीट में नितिन गडकरी जी ने बोला है कि अगले 5 साल में इंडिया will be the number 1 automobile industry. Now there is news that India is the richest remittance recipient country in the world, जिसका मतलब है सबसे ज्यादा investing, which is approximately $125 billion इंडिया को मिली है 2023 में. Now I am still confused about headquarters in Bangalore and showroom in New Delhi, but one thing is for sure, that India is going to get the investment one way or the other, and Tesla enthusiasts will get to drive a Tesla one way or another, so win-win for everyone.